everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the congratulations messages are pouring in for Big Zulu. Yesterday he shared his grandmother's house in all his social media platform. Big Zulu guys watshela abalandeli bakhe ngoFebruary this year ukuthi wakhela ugogo wakhe umuzi noma uzovusa umuzi kagogo wakhe oseBergville la yena akhulele khona. He shared his grandmother's old house and the new house that was still in progress that time. Yesterday he shared his finished work guys. The house is beautiful, completed and painted. I'm sure grandmother wakhe or ifamily ijabule kakhulu. Social media abazange bawuvale nabomlomo bambongela kakhulu Big Zulu bemncoma nangokuthi uyisibonele esihle kwabanye abaculi abasafufusayo. Let's check out the following messages guys. The first person said, more blessing coming on your way, don't forget your roots. Wazi wamuhle umuzi wesalukwazi kusho ke usine wasethi komunye ke sikhona bhuti omdala ngegamazini and glamour code to deliver and apply nationwide. It's Itumeleng Tumza Mashiho ngicanga to be advertiser ke lwathi omunye uyinsizwa bhuti isibonele esihle nsuku zonke and wayesethi ke omunye ke lunye uthando wenkabi shwele. Congratulations nembalo inkabi silwane, this beautiful kwande nazo ke inkabi yami Zulu yesabeka kwande inkabi bathi ke congratulations ku Big Zulu, muhle umsebenzi awenzele ugogo. Impela ke bakithi bathi ke kubalekile ukuthi ke izinto zenzayo bathi charity begins at home. Kubalekile ukuthi umuntu aqale ekhaya abe isibusiso before abe isibusiso nakubantu bonke bangaphandle. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.